Dear students, good morning to all. In this video, we are going to discuss what is an algebraic expression, how to add one algebraic expression with another algebraic expression, how to subtract an algebraic expression from another algebraic expression, how can you get the product of two algebraic expressions. All those concepts we are going to discuss. Before we discuss, first of all, we must clear about what an algebraic expression actually is. So, just I write some expressions here. Suppose 2x plus 3 and x square minus 5x plus 6 x square plus 7xy plus 4x square. And you know all about all these. In class 7 you read about all these, and you see all these are called algebraic expressions. Let us consider one algebraic expression 2y minus 5. First of all, we must know here it is a combination of 2y, 5 and one mathematical operations. Okay, let it be. So here 2 is called the constant, y is called the variable, and a 5 is called the constant. Actually, this expression is formed or is a combination of constant and variable with mathematical operations, subtraction, and here product. How 2y is formed? Tell me. 2y is equal to 2 into y. Actually, it is formed. It is the product of a constant 2 and y. Similarly, x square minus 5x. How it is formed? First, x square, how it is formed? X square is equal to x into x. It's the product of x and x is the x square. And a 5x is formed 5 into x. It's the product of a constant and a variable. Clear now? So here we confirm that when we write an algebraic expression, actually it is the combination of a constant, variable with mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. For an example, I just tell here y by 2 plus 1. This is also an algebraic expression. Here mathematical y by 2, how it is formed y by 2? Now y division 2. This is a constant and this is the variable. So everybody note the definition. What is an algebraic expression? Right? An algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constants and mathematicals with mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When we combine a variable and a constant, we must take a mathematical operation. Without mathematical operation, you cannot combine a variable and a constant. For example, how 2x is combined? Here 2 is a constant and x is a variable. So it is, you see, the mathematical operation 2 into x. 2 plus x, you see, how is it combined? Now here addition is there. Here 2 and x both are added to form the expression 2 plus x. Clear? X minus 4, how? Now here 4 is subtracted from the variable x. Clear? So without mathematical operation, you cannot combine a variable with a constant. So please remember, and these 4 mathematical operations, what are these 4 mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Clear now? So now let us come to the next point. See, when you write an algebraic expression, it might have one term, it might have just before terms. What are the terms you see? 4x minus 5. Clear? 4x minus 5 means here one term is, this is a term, and this is also 5 is also a term. So it has how many terms? Not 2 terms. Clear? And again 4x, how it is formed? Now this is 4 into x. This is formed 4 into x. And just tell me here 3x, how many terms? Now here terms 1. Terms 1 term. This is how it is formed? Now 3 into x. This is only 1 term. So next you tell me 4x square minus 3xy plus 1. So it has how many terms? Now 3 terms. It has 3 terms. How? Just find out the 3 terms. First term is 4x square. Second term is 3xy. And the third term is 1. Clear? And how 4x square is added? 4x square is formed. Now 4x square actually it is formed 4 into x into x. These are the called product of factors. You see, this x is a factor, x is a factor, 4 is a factor of 4x square. And how 3xy is formed? Now 3 into x into y. 3xy is formed. And 1 is a constant. So it contains 3 terms. So term means, what is the definition of a term? Now term can be a constant or product of a constant and a variables, constants and variables, or product of variables. Clear? Are you very clear? Please, the definition is very important. You see, term can be constant. You see here, just I write 4. This is a term. 4 is a term because it is a constant, or product of a constants and variables. You see 3xy, this is a term, but how it is a 3 into x into y? Actually it is. Next, product of a variables, only just a product of variables means you see here y, z, this is also a term. How it is formed? Variable y and variable z both are multiplied to form yz. Clear? So according to the number of terms, an algebraic expression may be monomial. What is the definition of monomial? Now, the expression having one term is called monomial. से कहूची जदि जो एक्सप्रेशन रे गोटे टर्म थी वन टर्म थी ताको आमे कहूचे मोनोमियल. फॉर एन एग्जांपल यू सी 4x फोर एक्स 3xyz 2y² z. So these are the, and the next is 10 minus 5. So these are the monomial. So tell me how 4x is formed. Now 4 into x, 3xyz, 3 into x into y into z, 2y² z how? 2 into y into z. 10 is a constant term and a minus 5 is a constant. So these are called the monomial. So once again I tell you the definition. The expression having one term is called monomial. Similarly, binomial. What is the definition of a binomial? Now the expression having two terms is called binomial. So binomial is formed when two terms are combined with either addition or subtraction. Suppose I take one term 4x and another term you take the 3y. Just I will combine these two terms. Suppose these are combined with a plus symbol. So what is formed here? 4x plus 3y. Now this is a binomial. It is consist of two monomials. This is one monomial. This is also another monomial. So these two monomials are added to form a binomial. Clear now? So now second one, just I told you. Suppose this is 3x square, one term. I took another monomial minus 1 and both are added. That forms 3x square minus 1. This is a binomial because it consists of two terms. So just I tell you 4x square y minus 5x. Can you separate the terms? Yes, we can separate from the term, from these two terms. One is 4x square is one term and the second term is what? Minus 5x. So this is the clear. So this is one term and this is another term and both are added. How it is found? Now 4x square y plus and the second term is minus 5x, and this is found actually from this. Clear? So here you confirm binomial is the addition of two monomials, or binomial is an expression having two terms. The definition, you take this definition. The expression having two terms is called a binomial. Okay. The next thing is that trinomial. What is the definition of a trinomial? The same thing, an expression having three terms is called trinomial. Remember that it's called trinomial. Please remember that. It is a combination of three terms. You take one term 3x, second term you add with 4y, and one constant, you take a minus 1. This is a trinomial. You see 3xyz, you cannot take this is a trinomial. You might have used because it is a single term. All are multiplied to get only one term. These 3x, y and z, they are multiplied each other to get one form. You cannot take this one. Okay. So terms are separated from an expression. First you have to identify addition symbol. Suppose how to separate, you see 4xy minus 3x. How to separate, you see here's the symbol 4xy 1 and the second one is minus 3x. Clear? So now then polynomial, if an expression having one term or more than one term. Polynomial means polynomial can be a monomial or a binomial or a trinomial. So you see here 3x square minus 5x plus 7z plus 5, and this is a polynomial. Polynomial may have one term or more than one term. Means this is also a polynomial. It's a binomial, but it can be said as a polynomial. 4x, this is also a polynomial, and a single term. I have already told you that polynomial can be a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial. Polynomial टा monomial है पारे, binomial है पारे, trinomial मध्य है पारे. किंतु then after that you come to like terms. What do you mean by like terms? You might have seen that in a polynomial there are some terms. There are some terms having same variable with same exponent. Suppose you see here 4x square and minus 5x square. You see here variable is x and here variable is x. What is the exponent of the variable? Na square. Here what is the exponent of the variable? Na 2. So you see same variable with this same exponent. So this, but need not to be coefficient, need not to be same. It may be different. Coefficient means the numerical number. Suppose you see, just I have already I have left this concept 4x square. What is the constant here? Numerical factor 4. So the coefficient of x square is x square is 4. Please try to understand the numerical factor. And here you see the x. What is the numerical factor here? X means that 1. So coefficient is 1. Minus x. What is the here numerical factor? Na minus 1. So this is called the coefficient. So for an example, you tell me minus 3xyz. What is the coefficient here? Na minus 3 is the coefficient, because the minus 3 is the numerical factor. Clear? So like terms, in like terms we don't consider the coefficient. Coefficient may be different, but same variable with the same exponent. For example, you see 4x square y. This is 3x square y. You see here variable x, here variable x, same variable. Exponent 2 over. Now the second variable is y and the second variable is y. Exponent 1. So same variable, same exponent. But here what is the coefficient? 4. What is the coefficient here? 3. But different. But we don't consider in like terms. So this is called the like terms. If I will take here 4x square y and here I will take a 3xy square, you just verify whether they are like terms or not. Just when you are going to verify like terms, first you choose the variable. Here x, variable x, okay, clear, same variable, but what is the exponent 2, but what is the exponent here 1. So exponent is not same, so this is not like terms, this is called unlike terms. This is called unlike terms. Clear? For an example, you see here 4y square z, and here minus zy square. You see here variable is y, exponent is 2. Here variable is y, exponent is 2. Here variable is z, exponent is 1, and here variable is z, exponent is 1. So these are like terms, but variable are the positions of variable interchanged. Here first y and here first z. So when you are going to verify or identify whether these two are like terms or not, so first of all you have to check the variable, same variable with the same exponent. Clear? So like terms means terms of same variable, terms of same variables with same coefficients are called like terms. Clear? So how to add like terms, that we are going to discuss in next class.